Hello friends, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. In this video series, we are going to see how to create a chat application like WhatsApp by using React.js. So this is part 1 of the series. So I am very excited to start this, and in this video we are going to see how to set up the Firebase for this chat application. So first we have to go to console.firebase.google.com, and here you have to click on add project, and you will be navigated to this. Here you have to enter whatever the project name you want, and I am going to type it as tech chat, and once you are done you have to click on continue. So this is step 2. So here it is optional, you can enable or disable this, and click on continue. Now you have to select some Google Analytics account. So if you want to create a new thing, then you can click on this. I want to proceed with default account for Firebase. Now we will create a project. Let's wait until the project is created. So our project got successfully created. Now you have to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will be navigated to that particular project what we have created. So here you can see this. Once you expand this, you will be having the settings icon beside this project overview. If you click on this, you will be having three options. So you can click on project settings, and here you can edit this, and you can keep the support email here, whatever you want. And if you want iOS, you can click on this, Android this, and this is for the web applications. So I'm going to click on this. So here you have to give any name here. So I'm giving the same name. Once that is done, you have to click on this checkbox. So this is for setting up Firebase hosting for this app what you have created, and we have to click on register app. Click on next. If you want to install the Firebase in your application, then you have to copy this and install that. Click on next and next. Click continue to console. So once that is done, you will be navigated to this the same page, but you will be getting this application what you have created. So you will be having the three radio buttons here. You have to click on config, and we will be getting this Firebase config and app ID, project ID, everything here. We will copy this, and coming to this application, you have to copy this and paste it somewhere. And now coming to our project, I have created a project called as React 1, and in this project we will be having the SRC components and all. And here I am going to create a file called as firebase.js. Firebase application dot js or firebase.js, whatever you want. So open this file and copy this and paste here. So this is how we will be setting up the Firebase in our application. So in the part 2 we will be proceeding further by creating the sidebar and the chat application. So this is the end of this tutorial, and thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on React.